Day number 25. My trip starting in Dharamsala, and initially it was up to Calcutta, but I don't know where it's going to end. I left Calcutta 2 days ago, and I am in Puri, Odisha at the moment. What you see right in front is the Bay of Bengal. So today is the 25th day, which is 15th of April 2024. It is super hot here today. The humidity is about 64% today, as I saw it on the net, and the temperature is reaching up to about 40 degrees centigrade, taking into account the humidity. It's a beautiful place. I started my video today quite late. Actually, in the morning, I did go out to sea, and I didn't take my phone with me because I wanted to get into the water, take a dip, because it's been a long time since I've been in there. Met a couple guys who were renting out tire tubes to go into the ocean for 200 rupees per tube. So I thought I might as well take that, and the guy was swimming with me. Took me about like 500 meters out there in the ocean. It was okay, not bad, 200 rupees. I don't think it's a bad price for the guy to spend about half an hour with me in the ocean. Yeah, it is super hot. As you can see, the sun is pretty bright today. The humidity is killing me. I am at the south end of Puri right now. This place is called Mahip Beach. Right behind me is the south end, and this one here is the north side going up towards Calcutta and Konark. I'm planning to be here for about like 3-4 days at least, and then in Konark for maybe about 2 or 3 days again. This place used to be a forest, as I was told by locals over here, but now it's been all sold out, and they've cut down a whole forest, and they're making big huge hotels over here. All resorts coming up. Down there, I don't know if you can see that black one. We filled up water over there. These guys were really nice. They said we can park over there in front of their place, and we can have water as much as we want. They said they'll leave the pipe outside for me, and we can fill up whenever we need to. So that's nice of these guys over here. Yeah, I'm just really excited about the ocean. This is the Bay of Bengal. Right after this video, I'm gonna go take another dip. I don't see anybody around who can take a video or shoot my video over here, so I'm just gonna leave my phone in my camper and take a dip in there. I wish I could have someone who could photograph me and take my videos. No one around here. Too hot. day number 25. It's the 15th of April 2024 today. Time is about 6 o'clock. The weather has cooled down quite a bit. It's not hot at all now. A nice wind breeze coming from the seaside. Pretty cool. It's really nice. As this place is a bit expensive compared to other places, I have decided that I am going to be doing my own cooking tonight and tomorrow and any other days that I'm going to be staying here. So I am going to the market and looking for vegetables and everything. I do have most of the stuff. I just need fresh vegetables. I said that I have to walk about 700 meters from here, and the market will be right on this road. This is the Bay of Bengal. Facing this way, I think I'm facing almost like southeast or something like that. Southeast, yeah. In that direction there is Thailand, and this direction here, which is due south, I looked up on the map, you would hit Australia right in this direction. These little stalls will open up in about an hour and a half. I do feel like taking a dip in the water again. Opposite the seaside, you can see a lot of resorts coming up, all new construction. This place used to be a forest before, like about 2 years ago, as I've heard from the locals over here. But now that they've cut down everything, all these resorts are coming up here. Pretty soon this place is going to be crowded and you won't find any parking here. Right now, there is no problem with the parking as I found it on the roadside. Yeah, pretty soon this place is going to be gone. It's just going to be resorts. You won't get that raw feeling that you're getting right now. And I'm pretty sure when the forest was here, it might have been even better. So starting at the other end of this place, they have the Taj coming up there, they have the Lalit, and all these places showing up, popping up. भैया कौन कौन सी आइसक्रीम है? मेरे को चाहिए पानी वाली जिसमें क्रीम ना हो। हाँ, कोई इसमें स्ट्रॉबेरी है?
स्ट्रॉबेरी है, अंदर वनीला रहेगा।
हाँ?
अंदर क्रीम रहेगा।
क्रीम नहीं चाहिए। क्रीम के बिना वाली कौन सी है?
ऑरेंज, मैंगो।
मैंगो दे दो एक। ठीक है।